So today now we are going to see about the RSA problem. So RSA is nothing but Rivett-Shamir-Edelman encryption algorithm. So it is an asymmetric cryptography algorithm, which means there should be two keys involved while communicating, that is public key and private key, and there are simple steps to solve the problems on the RSA algorithm. Let us see the problem. Example 1. First we have to choose the two prime number that is denoted as P and Q. So let's take P equal to 3 and Q is equal to 11. Okay, so P and Q, the two 3 and 11s are prime number. You have to ensure that first one. Then second step, compute the value of n and compute the value of pi of n. Okay, so n is nothing but P into Q. Then pi of n is nothing but P minus 1 into Q minus 1. Okay, so what is the value of it? 3 into 11 is equal to 33. Then here 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Okay, then after that, so next step 3 is step 3. This is step 1, this is step 2, and now the step 3 is find the value of E. Find the value of E, that E denoted as the public key. That E denoted as the public key. So we have to choose the E value such that value of E should be the coprime. Coprime means that it should not multiply by factors of pi and also not divided by the pi. Okay, so factors of pi, or what are the factors of pi here? Here the pi of n is 20. The factors of 5 in the sense the phi of n are 20. So the factors of phi are maybe 5 into 4 is equal to 5 into 2 into 2. So that value E should not multiply by 5, should not multiply by 5 and 2. Okay, and also should not be divided by 20. Okay, so what are the prime numbers? So prime numbers, what are the possibilities are there? 3, 7, 11, 17, 19, etc. So when you check this condition, 3, 7, 11, 17, 19, when you check the condition, these numbers are not multiplied by 5 and 2 and should not be divided by the value of 20. Okay, so that rules are satisfied. So we can choose the value of E from this sources. Okay, we can select 3, or we can select 7, or we can select 11, or we can select 17, or we can select 19. We have the choices, but this 3 and 11 is already selected as the prime numbers. So we have the choices of 7, we have the choice 17, we have the choice 19. From the 3 choices we can select any one. So here I selected the E value as 7. So now the step 4 is compute the value of D. D means what? It's a private key. We already calculated the E, right? We already calculated the E. That E is nothing but it's denoted as the public key. Now we going to find the value of D. That D is nothing but it's the private key. The condition is given as, so when you are going to calculate the key, the condition is GCD pi of pi comma E is equal to pi x EY is equal to 1, where Y is the value of D. So to compute the value of D, so to compute the value of D, we have to do the following, we have to follow the following instruction. So first instruction is form a table with 4 columns. That is A, B, D, K. Okay, then initialize A equal to 1, B equal to 0, D equal to pi, K equal to hyphen in first row. Okay, in first row we just assume that K is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, D is equal to pi, K is equal to hyphen. Then in the second row, initialize A equal to 0, B equal to 1, D equal to E, and K is equal to pi divided by E in second row. So from the next row, so first I created the row and column. So it is indexed A, B, D, K. Okay, then so in first row 1, 0, pi, K. The K value is hyphen, right? Hyphen. Then 0, 1, E, pi of pi divided by E. Okay, then the next row. So if you want to calculate the next row, we have to follow the following instruction. That is A of I is equal to A of I minus 2 minus A of I minus 1 into K of I minus 1. B of I is equal to B of I minus 2 minus B of I minus 1 into Ki minus 1. Di equal to Di minus 2 minus Di minus 1 into Ki minus 1. Then Ki is equal to Di minus 1 Di. Okay, so what is the value of A3 here? This is 1, 2, this is 3, right? So what is the value of A3? If I consider the I value is 3, means A3 is equal to, if I substitute 3 here, what is the value? We get A3 minus 2 is equal to A1, right? Then A1 minus A3 minus 1, what is the value? A2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to K2. So what is the A1 value? A1 value is 1 minus, what is the value of A2? The value of A2 is 0. Okay, 0 multiply with anything, the value is 0. Okay, so the 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. So what is the value of A3? The value of A3 is 0. So I fill the value here. Okay, then I am going to calculate the value of B3 by substituting the I value is 3 here. Okay, so if I substitute B, sorry, here we did the mistake. So the A3 value is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, not 0. Okay, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the A3 value is 1. So we just replace here. Here the A3 value is 1, not 0. Okay. Okay. Now we calculating the value of B3. So if I replace I equal to 3, the B3 is equal to B1 minus B2 into K2. What is the value of B1? The value of B1 is 0. And what is the value of B2? The value of B2 is 1. And what is the value of k2? The value of k2 is 2. Okay, 0 minus 2. What is the value? Minus 2. So I replace the value b3 as minus 2. Okay, I replace the value b3 is minus 2. Okay, then now I am going to calculate the value of d3. Okay, so d3 is equal to, what is the formula? di minus 2 minus di minus 1 into ki minus 1. Okay, so if I replace I equal to 3, the value here is d2 minus, sorry, here 1, right? 1. d2, wait, d2 into 3 minus 1 k2. Okay, what is the value of d1? The value of d1 is 20 from the table. When we look at the table, the value of d1 is 20. And what is the value of d2? The value of d2 is 7. And what is the value of k2? The value of k2 is 2. So 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. So just put in the table, the value of d3 is 6. Okay, now we are going to calculate the value of k3. Okay, so k3 is equal to di minus 1 divided by di. So if I replace I equal to 3, d2 divided by d3. What is the value of d2 in the table? Value of d2 is 7. Value of d3 is 6. So 7 by 6 is equal to the quotient is 1. So k3 is 1. Okay, now I am going to calculate the value of a4. Similarly, we have to calculate the value of a4, b4, d4 and k4. Okay, so when I do the value of a4, the value is minus 1, and the value of b4 is 3, and the value of d4 is 1. So if you get the d value is 1, then you can stop the process. No need to calculate the other values of k, and no need to calculate a5, b5 and d5. Okay, when you have the value, when you got the value d as a 1, then just stop the process. Okay, so in that row, what is the value of b? The value of b is 3. Okay, so consider b equal to 3, then d equal to 3. Okay, as we said earlier, E is the public key and D is the private key. Now we have the values of n, we have the values of pi n, we already calculated through the P and Q, right? Then now we have the value of E and we have the value of D. Then if suppose if they given the plain text, through these values we can calculate the ciphertext. Okay, so now we have the value D equal to 3 and E equal to 7 and n is equal to 33, pi of n is equal to 20. Okay, now the step 5 is do the encryption and decryption. So what is the encryption formula? Encryption C, ciphertext is equal to a plain text E mod of n. What is the decryption formula? If you do the decryption, then you got the plain text, right? So plain text is equal to your ciphertext power D mod of n. Okay, so here in this problem they given us the plain text value. The plain text value, we assume the value is 2. In the sense, what is the value of ciphertext? C is equal to 2 to the power of 7 mod 33. Then what is the value? 2 to the power of 7 mod 33. The value is 29. So what is the value of decryption? When we do the decryption, the plain text value is, what is the value of ciphertext? 29, right? So 29 to the power, what is the value of D? The value of D is 3. 3 mod 33. The value is 2. Okay. Therefore, in the final, we got P equal to 3, Q equal to 11, N is equal to 33, pi of N is equal to 20, E equal to 7, and D equal to 3. By using that E and D, the key infrastructure is the public key denoted as the KU, right? So KU is equal to set of E comma N. Likewise, KR is equal to set of D comma N. Okay. So what is the value of E? E value is 7. 7 comma 33. Then what is the private key? Private key is D value 3 comma 33. Okay. 3 comma 33. That's all.